Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into the latest buzz surrounding DJI's highly anticipated flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. This upcoming release has ignited excitement in the tech and drone communities alike, promising to redefine the landscape of aerial photography and innovation. Let's unpack everything we know so far, explore the groundbreaking features, and discuss how this drone could set a new standard for both professionals and hobbyists. Leaks and FCC filings reveal key details. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has recently surfaced in the Federal Communications Commission (FCC) database, signaling that its release may be imminent. Two models designated L3A and L3B have been spotted in the filings, sparking speculation about potential differences between these variants. While the distinctions remain unclear, the filing gives us a glimpse into the cutting-edge technology DJI is incorporating into its next-generation drone. One standout feature revealed in the filing is an upgraded battery system. The Mavic 4 Pro is reported to feature a 6,654 mAh battery, a significant improvement over the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh unit. This enhancement suggests longer flight times and greater efficiency, a boon for aerial enthusiasts eager to push the boundaries of their creative endeavors. Moreover, these battery advancements hint at enhanced power systems, laying the groundwork for improved performance and reliability. A new era in camera technology? Among the most tantalizing rumors is the possibility of a revolutionary camera system. Leaked images suggest a spherical camera module, marking a departure from the triple camera setup of the Mavic 3 Pro. While details are still under wraps, speculation abounds about what this could mean for image quality and functionality. Could DJI be integrating a multi-sensor system aimed at achieving unparalleled stabilization and detail? Perhaps they're exploring advanced AI-driven scene recognition to elevate aerial imaging to new heights. If true, these advancements would cater to a diverse audience, from professional filmmakers seeking cinematic shots to hobbyists aiming for top-tier photography. The potential for new shooting modes and improved low-light performance could make the Mavic 4 Pro a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. Navigating challenges with innovation. DJI's journey to the Mavic 4 Pro's release has not been without challenges. In recent years, the company has faced increasing scrutiny and regulatory hurdles in the US. Despite these obstacles, DJI has demonstrated resilience, doubling down on innovation to maintain its leadership in the drone market. The Mavic 4 Pro could serve as a testament to this determination, showcasing how the company continues to thrive under pressure. Adding to the excitement, DJI has been making headlines with other projects, including a leaked concept for a foldable drone known as the DJI Flip. These developments suggest a broader strategy to diversify their portfolio and stay ahead of competitors. By pushing boundaries in design and functionality, DJI remains a dominant force in the industry. Enhanced usability and advanced features. Reports indicate that the Mavic 4 Pro will offer significant usability and performance improvements. The FCC filing highlights advanced battery specifications of 95.3 watt-hours at 14.32 volts, suggesting a sophisticated design that could include enhanced gimbal systems and optimized propeller configurations. These improvements promise smoother flight dynamics, ensuring a seamless experience for users. Drone enthusiasts are particularly eager to see if the Mavic 4 Pro introduces upgrades in obstacle avoidance, AI-driven flight modes, and intelligent tracking capabilities. These features have become industry benchmarks, and any advancements in these areas would solidify the Mavic 4 Pro's position as a top-tier drone. Dual model strategy. The revelation of two distinct models, L3A and L3B, has sparked discussions about DJI's market strategy. Could these represent different versions of the Mavic 4 Pro tailored to various consumer needs? DJI has a history of offering variants, such as the Pro and Zoom editions, to cater to professionals and casual users alike. A professional-grade variant might include advanced features for filmmakers, such as higher-resolution cameras or enhanced stabilization systems. Meanwhile, a streamlined version could appeal to hobbyists with a more accessible price point. This dual-approach strategy allows DJI to dominate both ends of the consumer spectrum, ensuring that the Mavic 4 Pro resonates with a broad audience. Building on the Mavic legacy, the Mavic 3 Pro set a high bar with its innovative triple camera system and exceptional image quality. To justify an upgrade, the Mavic 4 Pro must deliver significant technological advancements. The rumored improvements, longer battery life, groundbreaking camera technology, and smarter AI integration, position it as a worthy successor. These enhancements would not only meet but exceed the demands of a rapidly evolving market. With users expecting more intuitive and capable tools for aerial photography and videography, the Mavic 4 Pro has the potential to redefine the standards for consumer and professional drones alike. Timing is everything. The rumored release of the Mavic 4 Pro comes at a pivotal moment. The drone market has seen relatively little disruption in recent months, creating an opportunity for a standout product to reshape industry standards. DJI's consistent innovation ensures that it remains at the forefront of this competitive field. Simultaneously, the buzz around other DJI projects, such as the DJI Flip, underscores the company's strategic approach to market leadership. By continuing to innovate and diversify, DJI not only secures its position as a tech leader, but also demonstrates resilience in navigating market uncertainties, setting new benchmarks. As anticipation builds, the drone community is abuzz with speculation about the Mavic 4 Pro's capabilities. Leaked prototypes and insider whispers suggest that this drone could be more than just an incremental update. From improved aerodynamics to AI-powered features, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to redefine what's possible in both consumer and professional drones. Whether it's through revolutionary camera systems, extended flight times, or smarter automation, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a pivotal product for DJI. As we await an official announcement, one thing is certain. This drone has the potential to set new benchmarks in aerial technology and innovation. Conclusion: the DJI Mavic 4 Pro represents a significant leap forward in drone technology, blending cutting-edge advancements with a legacy of excellence. From its upgraded battery and revolutionary camera system to its potential for AI-driven features, this drone is poised to become a cornerstone in the industry. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to uncover details about the Mavic 4 Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest news and insights on groundbreaking tech developments. Until next time, keep exploring the skies.